Hello everyone. So today we will solve lead code problem number 11, container with most water. So in this problem we have given an array, and the elements in this array are the heights, and we have to find the maximum area of water which can be contained between two heights. So to solve this problem we will use two pointer approach. So we will take two pointers, left pointer and a right pointer, and we will place our left pointer at 0 index and the right pointer at the rightmost index of the array, and then we will calculate the area between these two heights. So you can clearly observe from this figure or from this heights that 2 is less than this 3, so area contained between these two height will be like this. So area will be what will be the area? Area will be the minimum of 3 and 2, which is 2, and the distance between them, or the base or the width. So the width between them is the index of rightmost pointer minus index of leftmost pointer. So it will be the rightmost index is 7 and the leftmost index is 0. So it will come out to be 7, and the height is 2. So 2 into 7 is 14. Now we have to increment one of the pointer. Either we can increment our left pointer or either we can decrement our right pointer. From this figure you can easily observe that the area calculated between this 3 and 4 is always less than the area calculated between this 2 and 4 and between this 2 and 2 and between this 2 and 5, or 2 and 1 and 2 and 6 or 2 and 4. Why this? Because the height is same and the width is decreasing. So so we have to increment or decrement our pointer which is minimum. So in this case 2 is minimum than 3, so we will decrement our right pointer, so it will comes to this 4. And now we will again calculate our area. In this case 3 is minimum than 4, so height will be 3, or width is index of 4 minus index of 3. So index of 4 is 6 and index of 3 is 0, so it will be 6. So 6 into 3 is 18, and then we will side by side we will update our answer if we see area which is maximum than our answer, so we will update our answer. So like this, and then we will increment our left pointer because 3 is less than 4, so it will come out here, and then in this case both are equal, so either we can increment our left pointer or either we can decrement. Let's increment our left pointer, so it will comes to 2, and then we will calculate between area between 2 and 4, as 2 is minimum, so we will take 2 as height, and width between them is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 into 2 is 8. Then we will increment our this left pointer because 2 is minimum than 4. So like this we will calculate our area, and side by side we will update our answer variable. So from this we can say that the area is equals to minimum of left height comma right height into right index minus left index. So right index minus left index will be our width, and minimum of this will be our height. So area will be height into width. So for this example, we will calculate our area like this. In first case, area will be minimum of 3 and 2, so it will be, in first case it will be 2 into 7, which is 14. In the second case it will be 3 into 6, so it will be 18. In the third case, we will increment our this left pointer and it will come to 4, and this height is same, so either we can take left pointer or right pointer, and distance between them is 1 2 3 4 5, so it will come out to 20. And in the fourth case, height is 2 and width is 1 2 3 4, so 2 into 4 it will be 8. In the fifth case, this pointer will come to 5, and height of minimum of 5 and 4 is 4, and distance between them is 1 2 3, so it will be 12. In the sixth case, minimum of 5 and 6 is 5, and distance between them is 2, so it will be 10. And the last case, minimum of 1 and 6 is 1, and distance between them is 1, so it will be 1. And then we will increment our left pointer, which is at the place 1, and it will come to 6, and so our width becomes 0, so area is also 0. So you can clearly see from this figure that the area is maximum at the third time, or when we are at this place, this 4 and this 4. So the maximum area is like this. So this is our answer. So let's code this problem. So first, we will take 2 pointers. One is a left pointer and a right pointer, and a variable n. So n will store the size of the array. Left is equals to 0 and right is equals to n minus 1, and we will loop, or we will keep checking the areas until left is less than r, and we have to take an answer variable which is initialized to 0, and then we will calculate our area. So let's take a temp variable, and it will be equals to minimum of height of left comma height of right into index of left minus index of right. And if answer is less than temp, then we will update our answer. So answer will be maximum of answer comma temp, and then we have to increment either our left pointer or right pointer. So if height of left pointer is less than height of right pointer, then we will increment our left pointer, else we will decrement our right pointer, and in the end we have to return our answer variable. So let's submit this problem.